Hello, stargazers, space enthusiasts, and those who just came hoping there would be snacks. Tonight we're turning our eyes upward to the cosmic stage where the stars put on a show every night free of charge. February might be cold, but the night sky is dazzling with some of the brightest stars you'll see all year. So grab a warm drink, bundle up, and let's talk about the 10 brightest stars shining over the Northern Hemisphere this month. And no, before you ask, none of them are named after your ex, even if they were burning bright and impossible to ignore. Number 10, Regulus, the Little King. First up, we have Regulus, the brightest star in Leo. Its name means Little King, which sounds adorable, like a tiny cosmic monarch ruling over the sky. But don't be fooled. Regulus is actually a beast, spinning so fast that if it went any faster, it would tear itself apart. So if you've ever felt like you were spinning out of control, just know that Regulus has you beat. Number 9, Castor, the Gemini twin. Next, we have Castor, part of the famous Gemini twins. Now, here's a fun fact. Castor looks like one star, but it's actually six stars in a chaotic cosmic dance. So if you've ever felt like you're juggling too many things at once, Castor is your spirit star. Number 8 is Pollux, the other twin. And right beside Castor, we have Pollux, the other Gemini twin. Unlike Castor, Pollux keeps it simple. It's just one big happy orange giant. If Castor is that friend who overcomplicates everything, Pollux is the chill buddy who just enjoys the ride. Now we arrive at number 7, Procyon, the brightest star in Canis Minor, or the little dog. Its name means before the dog, because it rises just before Sirius, the actual dog star. So basically, Procyon is like the one kid in school who always handed in their assignments way too early, just to make the rest of us look bad. Aldebaran, the bullseye, is number 6. In the constellation Taurus, we find Aldebaran, a red giant whose name means the follower. It's the glowing red eye of the bull in the sky. If you ever feel like someone is watching you, don't worry, it's probably just Aldebaran keeping an eye on things. All right, we're halfway through our list, and at this point, if you're not feeling at least a little inspired by stargazing, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe I should have included a free telescope with this speech. Number 5, Betelgeuse, the shoulder of the giant. Speaking of watching, let's talk about Betelgeuse. Pronounced Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse. Beetle. Okay, let's not push our luck. This star is in Orion and is famous for being a massive red supergiant that might explode sometime in the next 100,000 years. So stay tuned. Number 4 is Vega, the summer superstar in winter. Now, I know it's February, but let's give a shout out to Vega, which is usually thought of as a summer star. It's part of the Summer Triangle and one of the most studied stars ever. Vega is the overachiever of the stellar world, bright, blue, and a total celebrity in the astrophysics circle. Number 3, Capella, the goat star. Next up is Capella, the brightest star in Auriga, and its name means little goat. That's right, folks, we have a goat in space. Capella is actually two massive yellow stars orbiting each other, which is basically the cosmic version of a long-term relationship. Number 2, Rigel. We're down to the final two. At number 2, we have Rigel, the brightest star in Orion. This blue supergiant is about 120,000 times brighter than our sun, making it the star that really should have been the main character in Orion. Number 1 is Sirius, the dog star. And now the brightest of them all is Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, period. It's part of Canis Major, a constellation literally called the Big Dog. Sirius is so bright that it sometimes twinkles in different colors, making people think they've seen a UFO. A lot of amateur astronomers focus only on galaxies and nebula. Well, tonight we're focusing on stars.